Hi and welcome to this Aventador S. This is a 2017 car, covered 12,100 miles. Let's have a quick look around it. So as you can see with the paintwork there, it's in this satin PPF, which makes this car look uber stealthy, like the Batmobile. It's got fighter jet looks. It's got the forged gloss black alloy wheels with the yellow calipers. Plenty of carbon fibre in this car, quite a lot of carbon fibre to be fair. I've never seen the carbon fibre strut braces over the engine bay, which is quite a rare thing on this car, so that's super nice. Obviously Aventador being the V12, sounds absolutely epic. Carbon ceramic brakes. Front lift, super important on this vehicle. Love the carbon on the kick plates, illuminated door sills, the yellow stitching on the seats, carbon centre console. So a lot of carbon on this car. Full service history at Lamborghini. For sale on our website today. So do give us a call at Hardy Automotive. Thank you very much.